Why, hello Chanceians, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing a new skincare product that I found a couple days ago. So what are we waiting for? Let's get right into the video. So it's a vitamin C facial oil. It's supposed to be for anti-aging skin repairs. It's an anti-aging skin repair serum for all skin types. It It says our quick absorbing and moisturizing face oil contains the powerful antioxidant vitamin C, which offers superior protection from the signs of aging. It helps to boost collagen production, improve elasticity, promotes cell regeneration, and protects against damaging environmental aggressors. Use daily to smooth skin texture and dramatically brighten its appearance. Imperfections and fine lines are diminished, creating a visibly glowing, radiant complexion. Promotes cell regeneration, encourages collagen production, improves elasticity and even skin tone, helps eliminate fine lines and wrinkles, hydrates and nourishes skin. The ingredients are jojoba seed oil, carrot seed oil, orange flower oil, tocopherol, and vitamin C. It's pH balanced, hypoallergenic, not tested on animals, and for all skin types. The directions are gently applied 2 to 3 drops or as needed onto clean face and neck. Massage with fingertips in a circular motion until fully absorbed. Use daily, morning, and night for smooth and radiant looking skin. So let's go ahead and take it out of the box. This is what it looks like. It has a little cap on the top for the dropper. Now let's go ahead and drop it right. So if you see me looking over this way, it's because I'm looking at a mirror, which is right here, instead of my regular handheld mirror. So now that this is done, now that I showed you guys me applying it, I'm gonna go ahead and continue doing this for the next couple of days, and then I'll check back in with you after the couple of days are over. I'm gonna apply it tonight. I'm gonna apply it tomorrow morning, tomorrow night, and so on and so forth. So I will be checking back in with you guys. Hope you guys are interested in this product, I'll definitely leave the link down below for this product. So can't wait for you guys to see the rest of this video. Bye. So I'm back. I've been using the vitamin C serum for the past couple days. I could definitely tell that it So I could definitely tell that it's been brightening my skin up quite a bit. It's definitely gotten rid of the dark circles underneath my eyes that I sometimes have. That I've had that I've had recently. Um, my neck isn't as bad as it usually is with after I shave, so that's a plus. I've been adding it like had said previously that I was gonna add it before I go to bed and in the mornings, which I have been. Um, my skin definitely isn't as red as it usually was. So that's a plus. So I'll definitely continue to use the vitamin C serum. And I hope you guys liked the video. Don't forget to leave a comment down below. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye guys. Love you.